The Buffett and Munger mindset. Stop gambling. Start thinking like an owner. Welcome to Module 1. The Buffett and Munger mindset. This module is about changing how you think, not about stock tips, predictions, or shortcuts. If you master this mindset, every investing decision you make afterward becomes calmer, clearer, and more rational. Module outcome. By the end of this module, you will understand why most investors lose money. Shift from speculation to ownership. Learn why behavior beats intelligence. Define your circle of competence. Invest with patience and discipline. By the end of this module, you won't just know more, you'll think differently. You'll stop reacting to prices and start thinking like a business owner. Core transformation. From reacting to prices to owning businesses. The goal of investing is not excitement. The goal is long-term ownership of quality businesses that compound value over time. This module lays the foundation for that shift. Lesson 1: Why most people lose money in investing. Let's begin with an uncomfortable truth. Most people lose money in investing, not because markets are unfair, but because of how they behave. Behavior, not markets. People don't lose money because markets are rigged. They lose money because they behave poorly under uncertainty. Markets are unpredictable in the short term. When uncertainty rises, emotions take over: fear, greed, excitement, and panic. Common losing behaviors. Chasing hot stocks. Following tips and headlines. Panic selling during downturns. Overtrading and high fees. Confusing activity with progress. These behaviors feel productive, but they quietly destroy long-term returns. The patience principle. The market transfers money from the impatient to the patient. This single idea explains decades of investing success. Those who wait, think clearly, and stay calm are rewarded. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett. This quote captures the heart of long-term investing. Patience is not passive, it is a competitive advantage. Lesson 2: Long-term thinking versus speculation. Now let's separate investing from speculation. What is speculation? Speculation focuses on short-term price movements. Predictions. What will go up next? Speculators focus on prices, not businesses. They ask, what will this stock do tomorrow? What is investing? Investing focuses on business quality, long-term value creation, ownership mindset. Investors ask a different question. Would I be happy owning this business for the next 10 years? Buffett Munger view. A share is ownership, not a lottery ticket. When you buy a share, you own part of a real company with employees, customers, and cash flow. Speculator versus investor. Speculator buys because price is rising. Investor buys because business is strong. One reacts to prices. The other evaluates value. If you aren't thinking about owning a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. Warren Buffett and endorsed by Charlie Munger. This mindset forces you to slow down and focus on business quality, not price movement. Lesson 3: Patience, discipline, and temperament. If intelligence mattered most, the smartest people would always win. But they don't. Why temperament wins? Markets are unpredictable in the short term. The best investors don't predict markets, they prepare for volatility. 3 temperament traits. 1. Patience, waiting for opportunity. 2. Discipline, sticking to a plan. 3. Emotional control, ignoring noise. Success requires a calm mind more than a sharp mind. Practice exercise. For 1 week. Avoid checking prices daily. Focus on learning about businesses. Reducing noise strengthens discipline. The big money is not in the buying or selling, but in the waiting. Charlie Munger. Waiting is uncomfortable, and that's why it works. Lesson 4: The Circle of Competence. You don't need to understand everything to succeed. Circle of Competence defined. What you understand well. What you can explain simply. What you can evaluate calmly. Your edge comes from knowing your limits. The golden rule. It's not how big your circle is, it's how well you know its boundaries. Staying inside your circle reduces costly mistakes. Practical examples. Understand retail, invest there. Understand healthcare, focus there. Don't understand crypto, skip it. Avoiding what you don't understand is a strength. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Warren Buffett. Staying inside your circle of competence is the simplest form of risk management. Why intelligence matters less than behavior. Let's destroy one final myth. The myth. Smarter people make better investors. In reality, intelligence often creates overconfidence. The reality. Highly intelligent investors often overcomplicate decisions, overtrade, overestimate their abilities. Complexity is rarely an advantage in investing. The calm advantage. A calm, disciplined investor often outperforms a brilliant emotional one. Behavior is the real edge. It's waiting that helps you as an investor, and a lot of people just can't stand to wait. Charlie Munger. Most investors fail not from lack of knowledge, but from lack of patience. Module summary. Losses come from behavior. Investing is ownership. Long-term beats prediction. Stay in your circle. Temperament wins. These principles will guide every module that follows. Module assignment. Thinking like an owner. 1. What does owning a business mean to you? 2. How long will you stay invested? 3. What behaviors must you improve? Write your answers honestly. This is where real investing begins. Completion statement. You are no longer trying to beat the market. You are learning to work with it. Welcome to Timeless Investing.